Have you heard about atomic habits? Think it's about nuclear energy? No. Yet this famous book told me in chapter 6 how homes in Amsterdam saved 30% with practically nothing.
Unbelievable!
Hello, I'm Norbert, your energy engineer. Today we will explore, together with James Clear, an incredible episode in his famous book Atomic Habits about the impact of psychology on energy management. A study in Amsterdam monitored household energy usage and discovered a 30% reduction in some homes. The difference with similar homes, they only had their energy meters installed in a living room, in plain sight. This visibility made the residents more aware of their energy consumption and drove significant savings. Well, that's astounding. No new high-tech gadgets, no new LED lamps or heat pump. Just a simple change in meter placement led to this huge savings. Well, is it really so simple to save energy? Behavioral science plays a key role here. Visibility alone altered energy habit significantly. A pity that it's not more applied in energy conservation, in energy efficiency projects where I've been my whole life. Now, why do you think that mere visibility of energy and power has such an effect? Share your thoughts and also examples in the comments below. I will share mine later in the video. But first I want to urge you, join me in the movement for energy conservation. We, the everyday people, are vital to a sustainable world. We must not wait until enterprises and governments start to act. They are busy with surviving hard times and they anyway need us, normal people, to make the energy transition a success. Subscribe for more tips and do-it-yourself projects. James Clear would agree that seeing each week a video and acting on it would really bring about a change in your life and also a big contribution together for a safer world. Check out also my specialized playlist to have a broader view on various aspects of energy. Consider this, investing only $30 in a visible, multifunctional meter could slash also your bill by 30%. If you are spending, for example, $1,000 in a year on electricity, then it pays itself back in just over a month. Find the recommended meters in the description under the video. I have it also in my home. Here are the examples I promised. So what can a clear display of the power, energy and other parameters in the living room do for you? First, do you read unidentified energy use on your display even when no one's home? Besides the ever-running fridge, what could it be? Maybe devices in standby mode. You can use the central switches one by one to find them. Use the reset button to measure daily energy use or compare different programs of the dishwasher or washing machine. Use it like the chip counter reset button in your car. Number 3. Monitor consumption during peak and off-peak hours to optimize the time of your usage. And number 4. Do you read high power on your display? Well, adding more big devices might trip your circuit breaker. Now, see how easy it is to install and use such a meter by clicking the video on the right. Be sure to have an electrician check it if you want to do this installation yourself.